What's up, everybody? It's your boy Paper Drew back with another video. As you can see, we have a brown box here. Before we get into the review slash unboxing, if you're ready, willing, and able, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead and hit that like button, that little notification bell below. That way, when we drop new content, you're the first people to know about it. Not because I ask you, but because you enjoy the content. I appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time out to go ahead and view the videos and comment and like and share and all that good stuff. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. You guys can see it is a brown box once again. If you watched the previous video, I kind of gave you a teaser what it was going to be. Go ahead and check out that previous video, which was the Fire Red 4 Jordan 4 video. And you will know exactly what that is. So here we have it. Here, got a rubber, like a loose rubber band in here, probably for the invoice. So as you can see, Ronnie Fieg, Asics. Let's go ahead and put the knife away and get this bad boy out of here. So there you go, like just as I thought. It is the invoice. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Gel Lyte OG Dusty Mauve 180. So I got these off of I received the email pretty much similar to what I did with the 252 ones. The loyalty, Asics loyalty email. As you see, size 11. It's a Gel Lyte OG, so it does have the OG shape. Dusty Mauve. There's a color code for you, made in Vietnam. So again, I received these, the email regarding the loyalty program of the 30 pairs that he was going to be dropping. Every color kind of was like monochromatic, and it kind of went through the spectrum, similar to how the Yeezys looked when Yeezy dropped that picture, where it kind of was like different spectrum and went through the spectrum of the different color Yeezys. So Ronnie Fieg did the same thing, and so let's see what these look like. Oh yeah, these are nice, very, very nice. And they're gonna look a little funky because let's put the toe in a little bit. There we go. So there you have it. Very nice shoe. So I had picked these. I had picked the French clays. I don't remember what the other ones were called, but they were dope as well. Pretty much all in line with the same colors. I like these and the French clays the most. So I was really happy that I was able to grab these. Not a lot of people I saw with these as of yet, but of course, the way Kith shipping is, there is, I'm sure, going to be plenty of delays. So as you can see, some details here. Has a 30 there. So there's a 30 on that side. And you have nothing on this side. But I think the other shoe, get into the other shoe, I think the other shoe has something. Oh yeah, so the other shoe has the Fieg there. So, and then I think, it comes with, it does come with extra laces. So it comes with these flat laces. They're like the brown-ish kind of color, stone color for the midsole. Let's throw that over there. And then we have these rope laces that more match. Well, yeah, they match the midsole as well. So these are the only laces here that match the actual upper of the shoe. And I think that's it for laces. Yeah, so that's it for laces. So then on this shoe is the Fieg. And then this shoe is the 30. So very dope. Nothing else in here. No stickers. Nothing too crazy. So there's that. Let's put those to the side. So there's the shoe itself. For color, let me see. I would say that these, because a lot of people complain about the Kith filter. It's pretty infamous. That the shoes don't come out pretty much the same as the photos or look like what they did online and stuff like that. But these are pretty true to what I imagined. I was imagining they look a little bit more like a rose or a pinkish kind of color, but in person they're more like a I want to say lavender-ish color, like a purple, like a dark, not a dark, but a light purple. So it's like in between that rose / purple or lavender. So it's a very unique color, different. Don't have anything like it in the collection. That's why I really wanted to get something like this for the French clays. Definitely happy to have these, especially seeing in person that they were pretty much what I expected. So you see here that it matches. It's got that. This is kind of hard to get on camera, but hopefully it's more like a gray, like a lighter gray. I know it's kind of looking like in the camera. I'm looking at the camera. It looks like it's shifting like different colors, but it's all the same color in the bottom as well. But the suede is really nice on these, so I'm not complaining about no complaints here regarding the craftsmanship on these either. Very nice suede. That's that pigskin suede. You got the perforation on the toe. There's the lateral side. Then you got your medial side, the back. Doesn't look like there's any under, like usually they have, like the Asics, they'll put the under this stripes, they'll put like a different, well, they'll just like stack them on top of each other, put it that way. So this is not 3M either. This is matches. This is just, it's suede in there as well. Very nice. I think let's see, we'll look inside real quick. See, so these are both size 11s. Again, my personal size. Let me see, that one says Fieg, and that's more representative of what the color is. So you can see it's like a, man, looking at that, yeah, it looks like, this one looks like even like a burgundy, but, or a maroon, but it's kind of, trust me, it's like a light, or like a dark lavender. Lavender's a little lighter. I think lavender's like this color, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so this, I mean, that's the beauty of this particular collection, that you have, you know, those different colors, and they kind of just went through differently. So there, Asics. So the one says Fieg, and then the other one says Asics. You got your Asics hang tag here. So this was, I think, representative of the 30-year anniversary. Unfortunately, you know, COVID happened, so that kind of threw a monkey wrench in his collections, being with the Yoshino pack or the Tokyo pack. This, and then he has these. To me, man, I want to grab my Tokyos, or not my Tokyos, but my 2521s real quick and see. But I think this has like a better toe box shape than those for some reason. Like this is like a more slimmer toe box, more closer to the OGs. Let me grab those real quick and pause it real quick, and then I'm gonna grab those and see. All right, so I grabbed them, and kind of, sort of, if you can see that, man, they look about the same, to be honest. This one has like a little bumble in it, but they look about the same. For some reason, I thought it's probably because of the color blocking, that contrast from that black to the red so abruptly like that doesn't make it look as slim as these, because it's all one color. But yeah, another one of my favorites from this year. Definitely a banger. I'd be dropping, so you see what I was talking about with the stripes, how they made it like super fat and stacked them like on top of each other. So this has even got like a black underlay. That's the word I was looking for. I've worn these more than a few times. One of my favorites. Definitely going to be in my top, I don't know if I'm going to do a top 5. Maybe I'll do a top 5. Yeah, top 5 this year. That'll be coming soon. But let me know down below what you guys think. Sorry about that. My wife called in the middle of the video, of course. But anyways, yeah. So yeah, these are dope. Again, probably will be in the list somewhere. The top 5 pickups of this year. Again, something unique, something I do not have in the collection. Different color, beautiful fall shoe, even spring, summer shoe. I think this will look super dope as well. It's got like a pastel kind of look to it. Again, kind of hard. I think the camera is picking it up as best as possible, but it's kind of hard to, other than looking at it how it is, like this is true tone kind of, sort of, a little bit darker, but it's hard to explain or describe the color. Like that is probably the best representation, even it being out of focus, but it's hard to explain this particular colorway other than that it's dusty mauve. But if you look online at the Google photos, you'll see kind of, it looks like a purple, lilac, lavender, whatever you want to say it is. But again, they were only, man, these were limited to 300 pairs each color, so 30 times 300 is 9,000, so 9,000 pairs in total. Definitely not a huge run of sneakers, so I'm definitely happy to have them. Same thing with the Tokyo pack. So I think these would definitely be in the top 5 of my pickups. I just like, you know, the runners. You guys, if you guys been following the channel for a while, you know I'm a fan of runners, and stuff that not everybody has. You know, of course, you get the Jordan retros, and everybody's gonna have them. Those are just sentimental, but stuff like this is special in its own right because it's very different. Let me know what you guys think below. Were you able to cop? Did you want to and were not able to? They also dropped hoodies with these. I did not grab any one of those. I don't see myself paying almost more for a hoodie than I would for a pair of sneakers. For me, it doesn't make sense. But you know, some people that's their thing, and if that's your thing, then more power to you. I know everything that he drops for the most part is quality, so do not blame me if you spent $175 or $180 for the hoodies. But the hoodies look very, very nice. Each hoodie went with the theme of each shoe, so I think 30 hoodies, of course, as well, different colors, anyways. And then I don't know how many they dropped of those, but I'm sure somewhere probably around the same amount. Big shout out to Ronnie for dropping these. You see that Gel Lyte 3 in there, classic model, beautiful shoe, very comfortable, especially for something that was made in the 80s, 90s, in that era. So yeah, definitely fire in my opinion. Let me know down below what you guys think. Once again, appreciate each and every one of you. Like, comment, subscribe, not because I ask you, because you enjoy the content. And as always, man, it's been your boy Paper Drew. Around this holiday season especially, stay safe and stay blessed.